What's up guys, my name's Tan, and over the last few years I managed to make almost $5 million through my Shopify dropshipping businesses. And today I'm going to be doing something absolutely crazy. I'm going to attempt to start a brand new Shopify dropshipping business in only 24 hours. I'm going to show you guys the entire process, no bullshit, no gimmicks, and my goal is to make at least $100 in the next 24 hours. And if I don't manage to hit this goal, I'm going to give one of my subscribers who drops a like and comments on this video $500. So with that being said, I'm going to set my clock for 24 hours and the challenge officially starts right now. But before I start building everything out, I want to explain the rules to this challenge. Rule number one, I can't use any past connections, so any influencers or any suppliers I know are uneligible for this challenge. And then rule number two, I have to start a brand new store and I can't sell any products that I've ever sold before. And then the last rule, rule number three, is I only have a $250 budget to actually get this store off the ground. All right, so in order to start a successful dropshipping business, obviously product is key, because if you don't have a great product, then no one's gonna wanna buy your stuff. So one of the easiest ways to actually find products that we can sell is browsing on Facebook and looking for other viral products that are currently being sold right now, and actually checking the engagement out on the ads to see if there's a lot of ad spend being spent. So one way to actually cut some corners and do this a little bit quicker is using a tool like I'm using right now. What this app does is we're actually able to come on this filter section over here, and we're able to come and we're able to search through thousands of ads. So we can actually come to this first seen date and go to the last week over here, and then we can actually go to specific countries that we want to look through ads. So I'm going to click United States, and then we're going to come to e-com platform, and I'm going to choose Shopify, and then we're just going to click search, and thousands of different viral ads are going to come up. And then all we need to do is go to this filter section, and we're actually going to sort by shares, and then I'm just going to be browsing through these products until I find something viable for us to sell. All right guys, so after a bit of browsing, we stumbled upon this product over here, and basically what this product is, it's this catfish toy that has this tail that actually wags around. It's a really weird product, to be honest, but this is the perfect type of product that we can actually advertise on Facebook. Number one, because there's an extensive audience on Facebook that we can literally advertise to millions of people, and then there's also tons of theme pages that we can advertise on super simply. And if we actually check this website out, it's not that good of a website, so someone like me could build a much better website pretty quickly, and we can actually capitalize off the opportunity. And especially people absolutely love their cats, so they would buy almost anything for them. So I think this is a really good product that actually has some viability to get us some sales. So now that we actually picked out our product, we're obviously going to need to get our Shopify store off the ground. So I'm going to be creating a brand new store over here. I'm just starting my trial right now, and then I'm actually going to be designing this store live in front of you. I'm probably going to put some B-roll so you guys don't have to watch this whole boring scene, but I'm going to get into the store design right now, and we'll see how it looks after. So now that we have our store built and ready to go, we need to talk about how we're gonna advertise this product. So initially I thought about two different methods that we're gonna be advertising this. Number one is gonna be through Facebook advertisements, but the only issue with this process is that it takes a little bit to actually get approved on Facebook. And then number two is Instagram influencers, which is gonna be much quicker. So I'm gonna be using both of these strategies in conjunction, and we're gonna see which one's actually more successful. Now, for both of these, we're gonna need some content that we can actually run for ads, and this company Viral Ecom Ads actually provided me with some ads to use for this challenge. So if you don't know of this company yet, they offer all these different ad packages we can actually choose from. So if you wanna order one video ad, it's $40. They have 3 video ads, 5 video ads, tons of different packages, and I'll show you guys the ads they actually created for this challenge on the screen right now. as you guys can see, they made some really solid video ads for our challenge. So this is gonna make the process so much easier to get sales. So if you guys are starting an e-commerce business, this is just gonna make your life so much easier because you're gonna have conversion focused video ads. And these ads are actually created by someone who's really prevalent in the e-commerce business. And I actually know them personally. So if you guys wanna check them out, I'll leave the link down in the description and you can use code TAN20 to save 20% on your order. All right guys, so I just got back from doing a workout and unfortunately it took a little bit longer than expected, and right now we have absolutely nothing launched. Luckily, we already have the video advertisements ready and we have the website ready, which I have not shown you yet. So I wanna hop into my phone, show you guys how the website actually looks because I think it came together pretty nicely. All right, so we decided to call the website the Dancing Fish. I think it's a clever name for the product. And if we scroll down, you can see the homepage is pretty simple. We went for this clean orange color scheme on it, and we found all these different graphics on AliExpress, which I think made the product look a lot more high end. But what we did focus most of the time on was the product page. So if you see, the product page is super clean. We just have a few different variants of the product over here. We have 5 different variants. So you can choose which fish you want to purchase. And if we come down to the description, you can see that there's still a few things that we need to do, like remove some spacing here, but overall the product description came out really solid. We found more of these high quality images on AliExpress, and then I do have some reviews in here that I imported from AliExpress. I think I need to upgrade them a little bit and find some better reviews because the ones I have in here aren't really that good. So I'm gonna get to work finishing up the website. Then I want to go over the complete advertising plan because we've decided to take a little bit of a pivot in the road, and I'm not gonna be doing any Facebook ads because there's only about 18 hours left of this challenge. So I honestly don't think the Facebook ads are gonna get approved. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna go ahead and go for some Instagram influencers. And while I was at the gym, I actually found a couple Instagram pages that I think will be a very good pick for this product. Okay, so the posts are about to go live, so let me explain what we ended up doing here. We ended up picking out 3 different Instagram pages that we're gonna run on. Luckily, one of these pages actually connected us with another page that had 2 other pages in the cat niche. So the first page that we're gonna be running on is this page called Cat Lovers Share, and they're getting really good engagement. They're getting like hundreds of thousands of likes on their posts. And if we check out the other pages that we're running on, one of them is called Cat Lovers Club and the other one's Cat Lovers Share, and they're all getting pretty good engagement. So what we did was we booked out a story post on each of their pages and then also a feed post. So all together, after paying for these 3 pages, we ended up shelling out a grand total of $52 US, which I think is a pretty decent deal. We're gonna need about 2 to 3 sales to make our money back, which I definitely think is pretty doable with the amount of engagement that they're getting. So usually when you're doing Instagram influencer posts, if it's successful, the sales come relatively quickly. So I'm expecting if this post does well, we should get sales in the first few hours. Otherwise, we're pretty much screwed. So I'm gonna update you guys when some sales start coming in. Hopefully we can knock this challenge out of the park. But at the end of the day, we only had 24 hours to get everything off the ground. So sometimes these short challenges don't really give us enough sample size to see what's successful, because in an ideal world, I would have chosen Facebook ads to run for this product. But if you guys want to see me do a longer term challenge, maybe like a week, 2 weeks, or even a month challenge where I build a store live and show you guys the entire process, then let me know down in the comments. But with that being said, I'll check back with you guys in a little bit. All right, so here we go. You can see that the post just went live. We had a pretty simple caption: keep your cat entertained with the dancing fish. And then if we come over the story, we can see that it also got posted as well. So I'm really excited to see how this performs. We only paid $52, so to make $100 off this would be a really successful advertising campaign. And if you check this out right now, we've had a total of 19 sessions and we have 6 visitors on the website right now. So this is a really good sign that we might be able to bank out. Okay guys, so I was gonna update you with the results of the challenge yesterday, but unfortunately my power ended up going out perks of living in Puerto Rico, but it's officially been more than 24 hours since this challenge started. So I'm gonna hop into my phone and I'm gonna show you absolutely everything that went down. So first off, we got a total of 127 visitors from this promotion, which was pretty decent. It ended up being around a 50-cent cost per click, but we did only end up getting 2 sales. I was hoping we would get at least 3 or 4, but I'm not too surprised. The Instagram pages we ran on were not the best traffic. We got a lot of people from other countries besides the United States and the UK. So to be honest, 2 sales wasn't too bad. And overall, we lost like about $5 after product cost, which isn't terrible. I think if we doubled down on this product and tried some TikTok advertising, then we would have much better results. The only reason I chose Instagram influencers because we were on such a tight deadline for this challenge. To be honest, I don't think I'm gonna do another 24-hour challenge because it doesn't give enough time to get the results and put in the actions needed to be successful with a dropshipping business. I know there's a lot of videos out there showing getting results really quickly, but trust me, even an expert like me who's been in this industry for years will have trouble getting successful with just 24 hours because at the end of the day, you don't have a big enough sample size to test and find out what works. But anyways, this challenge was definitely fun. I make these for entertainment, so if you did get some value or get some entertainment from this video, please give this video a like and subscribe to the channel because I make content like this all the time, and I will have a series coming out where I'm gonna take a store from 0 and try to scale it to as high as I can in like a month or 2 month time span. So I'll see you guys soon. Take care and peace out.